Today, we explore the remarkable features and innovations that define the most expensive and luxury sport car. The 2024 McLaren Elva is an exceptional open-top sports car that combines stunning design with exhilarating performance. Inspired by the legendary McLaren Elva race cars of the 1960s, the modern-day Elva embodies a sense of timeless elegance and performance. The Elva boasts a striking and aerodynamic exterior design, with flowing lines and a sleek profile that exudes elegance and sophistication. Its open-top configuration enhances the sense of freedom and connection with the road, allowing drivers to fully immerse themselves in the driving experience. The 2024 McLaren Elva is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers breathtaking power and acceleration. Precise engineering and cutting-edge technology ensure that every ounce of power is harnessed to provide an exhilarating driving experience. The 2024 McLaren Elva is equipped with a powerful engine that delivers impressive performance. It features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, similar to the one found in other McLaren models like the 720S. This engine produces a staggering power output of around 804 horsepower. With this level of power, the McLaren Elva can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds and has a top speed of around 200 miles per hour. The 2024 McLaren Elva offers a luxurious and driver-focused interior design that combines high-quality materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and advanced technology. The cabin is designed to create a comfortable and immersive environment for both the driver and the passenger. The seats are designed to provide excellent support and comfort, whether you are cruising on the open road or tackling the racetrack. They are ergonomically contoured and can be customized to fit your preferences, ensuring a personalized driving experience. The dashboard is sleek and minimalist, with all controls and features intuitively placed for easy access. The instrument cluster features a digital display that provides essential information to the driver, such as speed, RPM, and navigation details. The center console houses the infotainment system, which can be controlled via a touchscreen display or through voice commands. Advanced technology is seamlessly integrated into the Elva's interior. It includes features such as a premium sound system, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems to enhance both the driving experience and convenience. Despite the open-top design, the Elva's cabin is designed to minimize wind noise and turbulence. The innovative active air management system, which directs air over the cabin, creates a bubble of calm for occupants, allowing for comfortable conversations and an enjoyable driving experience. The 2024 McLaren Elva delivers an exceptional driving performance that is both exhilarating and precise. This open-top sports car is designed to provide an engaging and dynamic driving experience, whether on the open road or the racetrack. One of the key factors contributing to the Elva's outstanding performance is its lightweight construction. McLaren's expertise in carbon fiber technology allows the Elva to have an incredibly low weight, enhancing agility, acceleration, and overall handling. The lightweight chassis and bodywork ensure that every ounce of power is maximized, resulting in impressive performance figures. The exact specifications of the engine may vary, but rest assured, McLaren's commitment to engineering excellence ensures that the Elva delivers an incredible amount of power and torque. The Elva's aerodynamic design also plays a crucial role in its driving performance. Carefully sculpted bodywork, including an integrated active rear wing and a rear diffuser, generate downforce and enhance stability at high speeds. This allows the Elva to maintain exceptional grip and handling, even in challenging driving conditions. The suspension system of the Elva is finely tuned to provide a balance between comfort and sportiness. It is designed to absorb bumps and undulations in the road while maintaining excellent body control. This ensures a smooth and composed ride, even during spirited driving. Finally, we would love to hear your thoughts. Share your comments below and let us know what you think about this car. What aspects do you find most impressive? Have you had any personal experiences with similar models? We value your insights and look forward to reading your comments. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and exclusive content.